Hey guys, what's up? It's Stella. Hey Digital, welcome back. It's Stella. And today I just got my golden egg, so I'm trying to get into a rich server.
Excuse me.
So then I can see what people offer, and also I'm going to hatch it. So I'll see you guys once I get into the server. Okay, guys, so we are now in Adopt Me. And I'm going to get out my golden egg. But first, look, I'll show you. See?
Oh my god.
It's the diamond egg. Okay. Here it is. It doesn't look very golden. That's okay. Yes.
Wait,
I'm so excited,
are you gonna see
guys.
what people are gonna trade for it?
Yeah, I'm seeing what people are offering.
Oh wow.
By the way, Matt.
Oh my god.
It's a ride posting turkey, just like Gobbles. Except its name is Thanksgiving.
Thanksgiving Day.
No.
What?
Its name.
Trading golden egg.
Let's see what people offer. Trading fly push. It's a cow.
Oh please. They might add something. Ooh.
I'm gonna see if people put in a neon legendary for it. Just gonna trade some random people, like this neon unicorn person.
Neon unicorn person.
Trade Lisa
If you
neon
get a
collector
cow,
dream
can I
catcher.
please have it?
Why would I give you a cow for what I'm trading my golden egg
No, like
for?
if they put in like multiple items.
No. Sorry, no.
Oh my god.
Its name is Ninjago?
I have one named Sushi.
Ninjago. Yeah, we're not going to be accepting that. Why am I not holding my egg? I should be holding my egg. I don't even know who I just traded. So guys, I'm going to try to join one more server. So I'll see you guys once I'm there. What the heck? Okay, sorry guys, okay, never mind, I got a trade.
Please don't be
For Bat
false.
Dragon. Oh, nope. Trade me. Okay. Okay, yeah, guys, I'm gonna join a new server and I'll see you there. Actually, guys, someone just asked to offer, so I'm gonna trade them. And I'm gonna put in you're offering dish. As good as a trade that is, a golden griffin, bride golden griffin, a banana car, and a human bubble, I'm not gonna do it. Okay guys, so I'm now loading into Adopt Me, and we are waiting for Maggie to finish doing something. And then she's gonna join us. Hopefully.
Yes, I will. No, I don't want a cello.
Shalom. It's me. What? Ooh, look at the egg. Look at the egg. Look at the eggy. What the? Oh, here it is. Here we go. Trading golden egg. Oh, hey, look, there's another golden egg. I'm gonna trade my golden egg for a golden egg.
I'm beautiful.
I have competition.
Look, I'm beautiful.
Oh, yes, you are.
Thank you.
Trading golden egg. Golden egg for golden egg.
That's so funny.
I'm gonna accept this.
But you never know what's inside
Oh, true,
yours
true.
or what's inside hers. You could get something good and hers could have a griffin.
I'm gonna do it.
No! Oh, there's a frost.
And now we trade back. Oh darn, I traded the wrong person.
Oh, fuck.
Oh wait, no I didn't. Now we trade the eggs back.
Oh my god, she didn't even hatch it yet.
Yeah, mine had one task done. I'm hoping hers is gonna be something good though. Okay, we're gonna do golden egg for golden egg again. I'm hoping she accepts it. Okay, I accidentally pressed rules because I want my golden egg back. Yay! I got my golden egg back, my original golden egg. Because I feel like it's better to hatch your own. And this one's like the cracked egg. You only have like 3 things to do. Okay. Oh, look, there's a neon cow. There's a neon cow.
There's a neon cow. There's a neon
There's
cow.
2 neon cows. There's an evil unicorn.
Yeah, there's neon cows.
Yeah, there's so many neon cows. I probably won't accept. As much as I want to, I probably won't. Because I want to hatch my golden egg.
Oh, fuck.
I'm hoping you guys
I said
didn't
fudge.
hear
I
what
wanted
Maggie
fudge. I want fudge.
said.
I said fudge because I want fudge. Look, I can't get my login straight.
Oh yeah, you have to wait 4 hours.
4 hours.
4 hours. Hey, look, they're also adding a pig and a Delicula and
my God.
another
Oh my
Dilophosaurus.
God. Are you gonna accept that?
No, sadly. As much as I want that evil unicorn, I want to hatch it.
Hey, where'd you go?
You know what I mean? Like, I want to hatch it, but I don't. You know? I want to see what I get, but then I want to
Excuse me.
look at more offers. What?
Can you wait for me, please? Like, can you stop? No. You're so mean.
Oh no, I crashed into a tree.
Can you stop, please?
I just realized my house is the other way.
This is my house. Hi. No. You're so
Well, actually, I'm going to take
mean.
care of my pet in your house because, you know, your house is the lucky house.
I have to invite you to my family.
Whee! Look at my richest gear. My egg!
You're so stupid.
No, I'm not. I just want to look at some more offers because some of them are really good.
Okay, fine. Come on.
But if I get a golden griffin, I don't think anyone's going to want to offer anything good for it.
Wrong house.
Oh. No, this is the right house. Oh, no, it's that house, right? Uh-huh.
There you go.
Okay.
I gotta invite you to a family. Oh, okay, that works too. Alright, let's go.
The world is going round and down. Round and down.
Remember, do it in your unicorn mode.
Round and down. Round and
Why is
down.
this door always open?
Nobody knows. Okay, here we go. This is my room.
I'm gonna make this a guest room.
What is it? Is there a bathroom?
Yeah.
Which room is it? Oh, this one?
The empty room.
Where's the empty room? I'm just gonna...
That, get down in that room. The empty room. This used to be a pet care room, but...
I can help you build.
Ugh, gross.
Want me to help you build?
No, I'm fine. But thank you, though.
It's time to feed... Oh, this is the last task. I'm just gonna see some more offers for it before
Yes, your rug. Yeah, this is your rug. That's your rug. Oh.
Okay. I'm gonna look at more offers. Like, I'm just gonna... I really want
How
that...
beautiful that is.
That evil unicorn offer was really good, but I'm gonna hatch it. And then see if I get something good, then I might see more offers for it. Well, any golden pet really is good, but you know what I mean. I don't really want to get the golden griffin. Oh gosh, it's hatching. Darn it, I got a golden griffin.
Oh no, you got a golden griffin.
Now I'm really sad. I kind of wish I had that other egg.
Now you gotta trade it for something.
I don't have to, but I really want to.
Then do it.
Yeah, I'm probably gonna. Where did that evil unicorn go? Oh, here it is. I'm gonna. Come back, sir! Sir, come back! I really want this evil unicorn.
Did you get like other stuff that you might not want? In my head, anyway.
I would really take any legendary pet, good legendary pet for this griffin.
Hey, look, this is gonna be the fall room.
Then why did you make winter wallpaper?
Cause I'm gonna change it. Look how expensive these are.
Oh wow,
The strawberries are 203.
Oh really? I really hope they took away the evil unicorn.
Oh man.
So I'm no longer gonna accept.
I need like.
Maybe I can trade this golden griffin for this golden dragon, and I'll add something. Cha-cha Juju.
Mia, the one that.
She keeps calling me that.
No, we have a
because,
friend right here. We have a friend right here.
Yeah, she keeps.
It looks like her. Mia, this looks like yours. Doesn't it?
So, let's join another server.
For real?
Yeah. Let's join another server.
Okay, one sec. This is beautiful. Do you think this will work?
Yeah, it would.
Okay, I'm gonna use it. I used it. Okay.
Okay, now let's join a new server, and I'll see you guys in the new server. Okay, Ginger Squad, so I am now in a server. I'm hoping it's a rich server. Don't think they speak, I think they speak another language, so I'm just not gonna say anything in the chat. But I am just gonna see what people offer for my golden griffin. Oh, okay then. Not rich server. I'll see you guys in a rich server. Okay guys, so we are loading into a new server. I'm hoping this is a rich server because you saw the last server. Wasn't too good. Golden Griffin. Come on, please be a rich server. Oh, yes, it's a rich server. Rich server, rich server, rich server.
Stop singing. You're just ruining yourself.
No, I'm not. Okay. There's an evil unicorn, so I just sent a trade to that person. Oh, and there's 2 owls. Maybe I could offer for the owls. If this person accepts, I'll be so happy.
Oh my god, it's Fly Ride.
Yeah, I know. Oh darn, I was gonna add something.
Oh man.
Let's try to
Oh,
get
there's a Frost, my dream pet.
one of your dream pets. If there's a shadow dragon, I'm gonna squeal.
You want one? There's so
Yes.
many Frosts.
Neon Grow. There's a Neon Grow.
Oh, it's an owl.
Okay, I'm just gonna offer for this not, I was about to say neon evil unicorn. For this, and I'm just gonna add something here. I'll add a woolly mammoth. They're gonna take out the evil unicorn. What? Okay guys, well, I'm probably gonna end the video here. Ginger Squad, I love you guys so much. See you guys in the next video. Bye!